Hey guys, you like my little friend here? He was tangled and almost hung himself with my bird's net. I have a bird's net covering my beans, and he ate the runner beans, he ate the blossoms, and I had to cut him free. They want you to kill them, but I just don't have the heart. So I just set him free next to the morning glories, away from the garden. Here in Florida, iguanas are a big problem, and they can take out a whole garden in minutes to an hour with nothing flat if they have a couple friends. Well, my name is Terry, in case you're new here, and I'm with Organic Raw Roots Farm, and thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it, and it means a lot. Today, I'm going to show you how I grow my sweet potato slips. I usually put the slips in water to root, but lately I've been doing something a whole lot different and a little bit easier, and I get more roots and I'm able to harvest more sweet potatoes. So I take my sweet potato and I put it in the soil, and little slips start popping up, and eventually they start rooting. And then it's just so much easier to break it off and then put them each individually in their own grow bag or the ground or pot, however you want to grow your sweet potatoes. I find it so much easier. I even tried putting them in a little bitty pot with a half a sweet potato, and it worked. And you can see that the slips come up, and if you leave them long enough, they actually root. Before, I was letting them grow and then cutting them and then putting them in the water and then letting them root. But I found out if you leave them long enough, they will root on their own right there. Now these right here, I cut them off the potato and then I rooted them in water. And I got a lot of slips that way. It just took a little bit longer. If you never tried putting the sweet potato in the ground to grow your slips, you should. It is awesome. Whether you're growing it in water or you're growing it in the soil, you should give it a try and grow you some sweet potatoes. It is awesome to do. And I also got worm tea from my worms. It's not much, but it's still exciting. It came from my worm farm. I'm very happy, so I thought I would share my happiness. Well, I thank you for stopping by. It really means a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I really hope that you get out and grow you some sweet potatoes. It is very rewarding, and God bless till we meet again. Bye-bye.